Hello children, welcome back to our math class. This is class 4 mathematics. So today we are going to revise the chapter geometry. Okay, term 2 and unit 1 geometry. So today we are going to revise the geometry. Okay, so first in the geometry, the first symmetric. The first thing is symmetric. So symmetric figure. So what is meant by symmetric figure? So symmetric figure which can divide into a two part of equal shape and size. That is a very important thing. Equal shape and size are called symmetrical figure. So these kind of figure we call symmetrical figure. For example, an apple. An apple we divide into a two equal part. We get it a two equal size and shape. So this object is a symmetrical object. Okay, so symmetrical object means we can divide into a two equal half. So two equal size and shape. So two equal size and shape. The object we call it symmetrical object. Okay, next is symmetrical line. Symmetrical line. So this symmetric object, the middle line, this line, we divide the two equal half parts. This line is called symmetrical line. Symmetric line. Okay, line of symmetric. Okay, symmetric object, and this line is a line of symmetric. Okay. See the symmetric line. The line which divides a figure into a two equal half. So two equal half is called the line of symmetry. So it's called the line of symmetric. So see the figure, see the butterfly, this line. See this line is dividing into two equal half parts. So this line, this is a line of symmetric. Line of symmetric. Line of symmetric. Okay, so the line is which is divide a figure into two equal half. Two equal half is called line of symmetric. Okay, next let's see a geometrical figure. So symmetric geometrical figures. Now let's see symmetric in geometrical figure. Symmetric in geometrical figure. See the geometrical figures. So square, rectangle, circle, triangle, equilateral triangle. See the all sides are equal. So equilateral triangle. This first one square. Okay, square. See square. First symmetric line and second symmetric line. Third one and fourth one. So totally in the square, so four symmetric line. Okay, the square, this is a four symmetric line. So first line, first symmetric line, second symmetric line, third symmetric line and fourth symmetric line. So a square has a four line of symmetry. The square has a four line of symmetric. So next, first one square and next one rectangle. Okay, see one symmetric line. So line of symmetric 1 and 2. That's all. So 2. So 2 line of symmetric. In a rectangle, 2 line of symmetric. Okay. So next one circle. Let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, there's a lot of line of symmetric in a circle. A circle has a infinitive line of symmetric, a circle has a infinitive line of symmetric because this is a curved surface area, so this has a lot of, so infinitive of line of symmetric. Okay, so next one, fourth one, equilateral triangle. Next one, equilateral triangle. See, 1, 2, 3. So 3 line of symmetric. In an equilateral triangle, so 3 line of symmetric. In an equilateral triangle has a 3 line of symmetric. Okay, so first one square, 4 line of symmetric, and rectangle 2 line of symmetric, and circle, so infinitive line of symmetric, and equilateral triangle has a 3 line of symmetric. So next thing, draw the line of symmetry in each of the following figure. So here you are going to draw a line of symmetry. So given pictures. Okay, so listen the first picture, the leaf. So the leaf is given. So here you want to draw a line of symmetry. So middle. This is the line of symmetry in this picture. Okay, so line of symmetry. So listen the next figure, the semicircle. Semicircle is given. So here you want to draw a line of symmetry. This is center. So listen. So 2 equal half parts. So 2 equal half parts. So equal in size and equal in shapes. So this is a correct line of symmetry. Okay. And then listen the next figure. So rectangle is given. Simply you draw the symmetric line like this, or you draw a symmetric line this side also. So both sides is the correct one. Okay, listen the next figure, the letter H. So capital H is given. So here you want to draw a line of symmetry with this letter. So you want to draw the line here. So middle of the letter. So listen, the 2 equal half of the parts, half of the shapes. The letter. Okay, so first one, this is a line of symmetric, and this is a line of symmetric, and here a center. Okay. Okay, next, draw a mirror image. So here the pictures is given. You want to draw the mirror image. So opposite direction. The next part of the opposite direction of images you want to draw. This is a mirror image. This is center point is like a mirror. So next first one. See this is a mirror image. The opposite same direction you want to draw the image. Okay. Next one. See V. Same thing. Okay. So it's called a mirror image. The next one, the sword. Okay, here, the sword. So this is the way you want to draw the mirror images. So practice exercise 1.1. Okay, children. So that's all, children. So thank you, children. Thank you for listening.